Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys how to get the jumbo short Marley twists. They're not really jumbo, they're like medium size, and then I just decorated them with some hair jewelry with the strings and some more beads and stuff like that. So yeah, if you like this hairstyle already and want to learn how to get this look, please stay tuned. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm going to take 2 pieces of the braiding hair and then I'm going to place it on top of my real hair that I already have sectioned out. And on one side of the braiding hair, I'm going to include the entire strand of my real hair. And I'm going to take those two together and I'm going to twist them counterclockwise until I feel tension on my scalp. And then with the other piece of the braiding hair, I'm just going to twist it underneath, and then I'm just gonna keep 2-strand twisting. But while I'm 2-strand twisting, I'm twirling my fingers too to make the twist tighter so that the braiding hair won't slip off of underneath my real hair. And I'm just gonna do that for every twist. Y'all, this method is hard to explain, but it's really easy to do. I just couldn't explain it. I think I learned this technique from watching one of Beauty Can Braid videos, but in her video, she didn't explain it. She just did it, and I just kind of like caught on to it. But it's hard to explain, but easy to do. So if you're having trouble, just pause the video, rewind the video, and just keep playing it back until you get it. Yeah, I also forgot to mention, when you start off your twist, make sure once you start off your twist that you use a clip or a clamp or something that you have to clip at your root so that when you're twisting, you won't feel any more tension on your scalp. So that's just a little helpful tip. And then when you see me stop and adding something to my real hair, I'm just putting more beeswax on my hair, but I would prefer to use jam or any kind of gel to get a sleek look. Hey guys, welcome back. And yeah, this is the finished product. I did do some hair jewelry that I got at a beauty supply store. But yeah, this is how it's looking. These are the parts. How big it is, y'all. Look, them parts is super duper neat. Yeah. Y'all see the string? I got all this hair jewelry from a beauty supply store. But these are the twists. This is what I did to the end of them, cause the ends was straggly and I didn't like it, so I folded it up and put a rubber band at the end to get it, so I can get a blunt look instead of it getting big and then it starts getting thin at the end. So yeah, this is what I did. This is also a little what you call it, little seashells, and these big clamps. So yeah, okay you guys, so this hair that I used is pretty new. It's the Outre Expressions Natural Kinky Twist in 24 inches. I think they have an 18-inch one, they have a 24-inch one, and then they have a 30-inch one. And this is the 24-inch one. And each pack was $6.99, so that's $7 all day long. They're cheaper online, but I got mine from a beauty supply store. Online, they're like $5. On one website, I think it was like $4.95. So yeah, I want to say $5, but beauty supply stores be taxing. So yeah, I bought 7 packs. I only used, I think I used 5 full packs. I cut each pack of hair in half to get this this length. And yeah, I would just get 5 packs. I still had a little bit of hair left over of the 5th pack, but I got a big head. I wanted a lot of twists. I want to say I have about 100 twists in my head, approximately. I don't know, don't get me wrong. But anyways, yeah, my mom was like, girl, I bet they tired of you doing the same crochet tutorials, so I decided to just do these twists. This is the pack of hair I used. This was the look I was going for, and I think I achieved it. But yeah, y'all be the judge. And anyways, you guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.